Guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's my timer. I already made a video about timer, and today I made my counter. It's gonna count from 1 to 7. So before doing this, I did my simulation so that I don't burn any of my chips, and whatever I'm wearing, I'm thinking to do is working fine. So I did the multisim for it. Here's my multisim. This is for the timer, and this is the flip-flop that I have used, and this is my counter. So 555 timer is the timer, and this one is the counter. So yeah, so I'd like to closely show you guys how I did the wearings. So before, in one of my video, I have showed you guys like how to do the timer. You could go watch that video on my channel. I will put the video link on the description. And here's my 3 bits. I'm using 3 JK flip-flop, and it's counting from 1 to 7. So this is my LSB and this is my MSB. And I've used 274LS 112 chip. This is this 2, and I've used the AND gate and the OR gate. Here's a timer, and this is the counter. I hope you guys could see my connections here. Also put some pictures of it closely. And now I will turn it on. Here's the LED for the timer. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 again. Then back to 1. This is 50% duty cycle, and each time the timer is blinking, there's changes happening. 7 again, 1. So it's going from 1 to 7. And one thing to note, that never use a 9-volt battery directly to your breadboard. Make sure to use a regulator. Here I've used a regulator for my 555 timer. So it's very important that you don't directly put 9-volt battery on your breadboard, because it might burn your chips. Because when you put 9-volt battery, too much powers are going to eat chips, so it might get really hot. You have to make sure that you don't put 9-volt battery without the 5-volt regulator directly on your board. So 5-volt regulator is a must, so you have to put it on your breadboard before putting the 9-volt. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.